Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate your deactivated Uber account. First, open the Uber app or go to www.uber.com and log into your account. If your account was deactivated less than 30 days ago, logging in will automatically reactivate your account. If it's been more than 30 days, you'll need to contact Uber support. Go to help.uber.com, tap Riders, then go to Account and Payment Options. Scroll down and select Can't Sign In or a similar option depending on what's available. You can also tap the three dots on your browser and enable desktop site for better navigation. Fill in the required details like your full name, email address linked to your Uber account, phone number, upload a screenshot of any error message, and the first 6 digits of the debit or credit card linked to your Uber account. In the message box, explain, I deactivated my account by mistake and since it's been more than 30 days, I need help reactivating it. Complete the CAPTCHA, hit submit, and wait for the Uber support to respond. And that's it. That's how to activate your deactivated Uber account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.